Hey everybody, it's Scott and Uncle Steve with the Knowles Woolsey team at RE/MAX, and today we're out in prestigious Stonegates, truly one of my favorite neighborhoods in Simcoe County, checking out our newest listing at 22 Alana Drive.
This particular property here, folks, is well over a half acre. It has gorgeous mature trees, tons of tableland, a beautiful pool and entertaining area. Check it out.
Hey guys, I hope you're half as excited as our team is about this property. Come on in.
If you like to cook as much as I do, then this is the perfect kitchen for you. Hey Jules, just think we could get the whole family around this island.
We absolutely could, and if you're like me and you don't like to cook, this kitchen is perfect for entertaining.
The upper level here is bright and airy due to the tremendous window package here. We've got 4 bedrooms, 4 baths, 2 with en-suites, and the master bedroom, well, it reminds me of the presidential suite in some swanky hotel. Check it out.
Hey guys, welcome to the lower level. Fantastic space down here for storing your kids, grandkids, or the teenagers that will just never leave home.
Can't think of a better place to come home from work after a long day and unwind. It's truly a paradise back here. Cheers, Unc. This backyard is phenomenal. It's got everything from the tall trees, the pool, big deck, lots of room from lounging. Your problem's not gonna be getting people here, it's gonna be getting people out. I got a solution for that as well. For more information on this and other, check out our website.